DS Diving Service here. It is November 21st. We're at the vessel Rumb line. You can see some scum at the water line. I'm here to inspect the anodes and look at the bottom of the boat. Let's see what we got. Okay, your shaft sinks are burning, but they still got plenty of meat. Your rudder sinks are burning, but they still have plenty of meat. I have questions to whether the shafts are painted underneath those anodes. If they are, those anodes need to be removed. The paint needs to be scraped off so it can make contact and do its job properly. You asked about the size of the R circular anodes on your rudders. Those are 4-inch diameter, and your 4s will work fine. In the future, I suggest buying R5s. She could use a bottom cleaning. I did take this rope off of the port propeller. It was caught up in there. I am going to charge you for a liner.